here's the Tesla Cybertruck backpack. It's really good material, but to be honest, this is not my style. I just got it to review so others can make a better decision. It comes with only one cup holder, which they say it's just specially fit for Tesla bottles. It is kind of tight. I guess it's stretched out a little bit since I've been testing it, but that can help. Maybe if your backpack is falling, it's a little less likely to come out. And on the inside, there are quite a few pockets. There's one with a zipper, so one thing with old backpacks is sometimes I'd have a lot of stuff and it'd be an unclosed thing, and then it'll all fall into the bigger portion of the backpack, so it's hard to find things. So that is nice. And the zipper is very high quality. It is currently raining a little bit. I don't think it's waterproof, but it does seem to be a little resistant. Just something to keep in mind. This backpack, for the cost, yeah, I just wouldn't recommend it for most people. You'd have to really like the style. But yeah, the nice big open kind of front compartment. A nice carrying strap, and on the back you have this is one thing I kind of didn't like. Although it is a very high quality material, it's kind of rigid, so it's actually very hard to adjust the straps, and I just haven't found a good setting that feels comfortable for me. In the back compartment, there's a nice kind of laptop cover, and it does, like most good backpacks, it comes with good kind of cushion, so if I drop the backpack, this should be pretty well protected. And the fabric on the inside feels nice as well. So there's a quick review of the Tesla backpack. If you have any questions, let me know. I have this in hand for now, so I can let you know. And for most people, I wouldn't recommend it. I'll leave a link to the top backpacks on Amazon. I'll leave that in the description if you're in the market for a backpack. And feel free to check out the other resources that I've included for Teslas. Lots of guides and entertaining videos. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you again soon.